Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week's exercise is for my absolute beginners, or what I like to call my never too late people. Hello absolute beginners. In this month's Tappin Tuesday, we are going to be working with flaps, F-L-A-P. We've done these before, but it's always good to go back and practice. And if you're just finding my YouTube channel, perhaps you haven't done these yet, so it could be new to you. So a flap, what I call a flap, is a brush followed by a step. Okay, so you're kind of putting these together, so it's going to be brush step, again, brush step, again, brush step. Okay, other foot, same thing, brush step, brush step. You want to make sure you are changing your weight. If you are staying on the other leg and doing a brush touch where the weight's still on the other leg, that is what I call a slap, S-L-A-P, not a flap. This exercise is going to be all flaps. We're going to take it kind of nice and slow, and we're going to put the flap together with some flat ball changes. I'm going to move back a little bit because this exercise is going to move forward, so I want to make sure I've got a little bit of room to travel. You are going to start with the right leg. You are going to pick that right leg up and do your flap, brush step. Okay, now you want to stay on your toes. And if you need to get a chair to hang on to help you balance, that is perfectly okay. But you don't want to do that. It's not a flat-footed thing. It's just the toes. Your brush is just the toes as well. The heels do not hit the floor at all. So you're going to do flap, then you do one on the other leg, flap. Okay, so 2 flaps in a row. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, flap. And I'm putting a pause in between. So if you are someone familiar with how to count musically, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you do flap, hold, then you're going to do a flap ball change. Flap, 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 ball change. Okay, let me turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing with this ball change. So a ball change is when the ball of one foot hits the floor, and then the change is a change of weight. It can be either the ball of the foot or flat-footed. For this, I like a flat foot, but if you want to stay on the balls of your feet, that's fine too. That's a very good thing to practice. So you're going to do flap, ball, change, okay? Ball is another way of saying step. That's a step, that's a step, that's a step. That's also a ball because it's the ball of the foot. All right, so far we have flap, hold, flap, ball, change. 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 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 ball, change. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing starting with the left foot. So you're going to go flap, 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 ball, change. Okay, something I want to point out about the changing of the weight and what your legs are doing. When you do this flap and you're holding, you want to think about bringing the other foot to the front. Your flap, just like with your shuffles, where you want to keep everything in front of the leg you're standing on, your flap should start from the front as well. You're not coming from back here. That's incorrect. You don't want to bend at the knee like this and then go into your flap. You want to pick that knee up and do that flap from up on top. Okay. So starting, hopefully I'm staying in the camera range here. For starting with the right foot, you have flap, 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 ball, change. Then the left foot goes flap, 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 ball, change. 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 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 ball, change. Flap, 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 ball, change. Now you're going to do 2 flap ball changes in a row. Flap, ball, change, flap, ball, change. Then you're going to do that first part again, starting with the right foot with 2 flaps and a flap ball change. Flap, 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 ball, change. That finishes one set. The next set is going to start on the left foot. Okay, let's do just the right side again before we go on to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Okay, left side, same exact thing, except it starts left. So you're going 5, 6, 7, 8, full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Okay, let's put the whole thing together and see how you do. All right, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Start left. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Okay, so this is going to travel a little bit. If you don't have a lot of space, get those flaps so that they're kind of coming right down next to the other foot and you won't really travel as much. I also kind of cheat back on that ball change a little bit too. Okay, let's do it one more time. This time I'm going to do it with the musical counts so you can see where all those pauses and rests are. We're counting to 4 when we do this musically, so you have. Even though I count you in with 8 because that's an old dancer thing, musically you should count to 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 1, 2, 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 a 3, 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Five, 6, 7, 8, full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, ball change. Full lap, full lap, full lap, ball change.